To connect your Redmi Watch 5 Lite with your smartphone, first you will need to download an app called MI Fitness. You can find it on Google Play Store. So when you found that app and installed it, let's open it. Then select Add Device in Devices tab. You will also need to create or log into your Xiaomi account. When you're ready, select the watch from the list right here. Then the pop-up should show up on your screen. You need to accept that. And now we also need to accept it on our phone with pair and connect. Then pair. Let's try again. And now it works fine. So the pairing process is basically done. We can go to the settings to customize them or click on done to skip it. And here's our watch connected. You can read through the introduction if you like. Turn on notifications and etc. Also allow them in the App Center. There's a lot of permissions, but here we have it. The pairing process is done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.